Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing some waxing at home. I got this Nair product from Home Bargain for £2.49. So as you can see, that's the wax strip. So I've divided it into two. Both sides does have wax on it. So I'm going to apply it now to my legs. Best advice is you try to pull the strip opposite your hair growth. So if you look at me right now, my hair grows downwards, so when I pull it upwards. That's the best way to do it. And some of the advantages of wax strips are it makes your hair grow finer, less cuts, less mess about, and it makes, like for me, because I am very hairy, so with the waxing it makes the hair grow long. It takes time for the hair to grow again, if you know what I mean. I have a very sensitive skin. I've tried shaving creams, very sensitive to my skin, burns me. It's just too much hassle. So for me, the waxing does work better, and it takes probably around 3 to 4 weeks for the hair to start growing back. Whilst if I try to shave or use the shaving cream, after 1 week my hair starts growing again. That's the advantages of using waxing. It does look painful, but it's just something you can get used to it. If I can do it, then definitely you can do it. So for my whole legs, I've used the whole pack. It's got 20 strips in it. I've waxed both legs, and yeah, it is cheaper, trust me, cheaper option to go for as well. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Show some love guys, and share the video. Thank you. Bye. That's the results. That's one hair done, one leg done, and the other's not done.